Hi, welcome to SolidWorks 2023 video tutorial. I want to do that crankcase for my redux 7-cylinder radial engine. Let's take a look at the drawing. So here it is, and you could make a screenshot and then follow this exercise step by step if you want. So let's have fun with SolidWorks. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the top plane. That will be a circle, and the diameter of this circle should be 383. Finish that sketch, make an extrude, make it 186, and confirm. Then I will need a point right there, because I want to use the hole wizard. So let's go for the hole wizard and see if we can snap onto that center point. Hole wizard. It's a legacy hole, yes. It's blind, yes. So this should be 266 and the depth should be 166. So let's go for positions, select the surface and put it right there, and leave that sketch, and we got that hole. Now I need an offset plane, and it should be an offset from the front plane, and the distance should be 171. Confirm. Then I need a sketch on this plane here, and I need a square, and it should be 155 by 155. No, not 55, 54. 154 and 154. Then I will need a circle. What kind of circle do we have? We have a circle in the perimeter one. So let's just go for a circle. Put it right there. Make it for construction only. And put 3 of those corners onto that circle. Like that. Then I need another circle. Diameter should be for construction, and the diameter should be 170. Then I need a construction line from this point to that corner here. Make it for construction. Maybe put a point here and on the intersection. Then I need a dimension from this point to the origin, if possible. Let's look straightforward. So like this, 103 millimeter. And this point and that point here should be aligned vertically. Finish that sketch. Let's make an extrude or a cut. It's a cut. Change direction and make it maybe 100. That's okay. And confirm. Then I need a hole, and this should be not on the plane. I could put it on the plane, but I want it to be on that surface, and it might be a good idea to show that sketch. Now again go for the whole wizard. It should be a simple blind one, so that should be 136, and the depth might be 100 or up to next. So let's go for 100 and go for the positions. Should be on the surface right there on this point, and finish that sketch. And okay, so let's make a circular pattern. I usually pattern every feature one by one, so everyone on its own. You could pattern them all together, but let's go for a circular pattern, and it should be a feature pattern, and I want to use that surface here and the implied axis as rotation axis, not this here, but there you go. I need 7 instances, 360 degrees, equal spacing, that's okay. And I want to pattern that cut here and confirm. Let's hide that plane. And now I want to pattern that hole here. So let's take a look. Go for another circular pattern. The direction would be this surface and the implied axis. That looks okay. Equal spacing, yes, 360 degrees, 7 instances, and I want to pattern that hole here. Let's confirm and see. Yeah, that looks okay. Now another hole on this point here. It should be 10 millimeter by 20, so this will be 20, and this will be 10. Go to positions, click on that surface right here, confirm this, and now make another circular pattern. Feature would be that whole wizard, yes, that's okay. The axis of rotation should be defined by that hole here, and I need 4 instances, and confirm. Now let's pattern that pattern. That would be that hole and that pattern. Those two should be patterned, so go for a circular pattern. It's another feature pattern. Again, I want 7 instances. And the axis would be on this surface here, and that implied axis. And the features, that would be the whole wizard and that circular pattern here. And confirm. Looks good. Maybe hide that sketch. Now let's go for the last revolve cut, and therefore I need a sketch on the front plane. This will be a circle. Diameter should be 80. Distance from this point to that point should be 103. And the distance again from this point to that point horizontally should be 140. Finish that sketch, and let's make another revolve cut, not another one, a first one, revolve cut with that sketch, yes, and the axis of rotation would be again the implied. I need an axis, so I could go for that edge, or maybe, just maybe, I can use that sketch here. That would be okay. If it's accepted. No, it's not accepted, not really. And the edge as well, so I need obviously I need an axis. So let's go for an axis, and then I could use the axis from the beginning on. So let's go for two planes. That would be the right plane and the front plane, and confirm. So I could move this up, maybe before that, even here, and I could also move that plane up here, one more, like that, and then I could use that axis and that sketch to make the revolve. So go for the cut, not extruded cut, but revolved cut. I need that sketch here, and the axis would be this one. That's okay, and confirm. And now give that circular pattern this axis here, that one, confirm. And then for this one, again use that axis, confirm. And for this one here, again use that axis and confirm. And at last I want to reorder that cut revolve before that whole wizard, or before that cut extrude at least up there, or yeah, let's move it up there, and I'm done. So I hope it was helpful, hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please subscribe maybe to my Facebook CAD fan page, or follow my own GrabCAD, Instagram, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.